Alright, we're getting these DD40s nice and cleaned up. They look good, they run good. They represent a leap forward in our skill. What we're going to do is we're also going to take Ajax and Hercules and we're going to give them a rebuilding. Now, I don't know if you remember that, Hercules has been around for so long. I don't know, he's been around maybe like 10 years. Long time. And Herc was put together. First one to get the dual face ripper motors. It was put together before we had other skills, and he's broken all over the place. We're going to tear him apart, rebuild him, bring him up to this standard. Then we got Ajax here. And Ajax is a single motor. But currently, Ajax has, as you can see, he's got the rare earth magnet motor in him. And that motor's a great motor, especially in DC. It's the one we use. We can pick up that giant 2-inch nut over there with no problem because the magnet's so strong. But very high starting voltage on those. Torque is amazing. Very high starting voltage. And he's in DC. We want to bring him up to the new standard. But he's a single motor. He's getting a 280. We're going to put a 280 in there. And that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to break apart trucks and rebuild them. And then we're going to insulate them like we did. Now Herc, as you can see here, Hercules has got a lot of green stuff on there. And that's from testing them around. One thing we did not do here, that we're going to do, is we've got to get that liquid electrical tape under there. And Hercules is a reminder that DD40s, they will short DCC whenever they lean like that. So we're going to deal with that on those guys and bring them up to the stand. We're going to bring them up to that standard. And we're going to bring Herc up, and we're going to take out our printed U-joints, and we're going to put in the hose, because that hose, you saw how smooth those things work. So that's what we're going to do. And funny thing is, I was not thinking about anti-parallel when I did this, but as you can see, I marked them. See that red there? I marked them because I tested them individually and did not make that connection at the time. And one of you guys is the one that pointed that out. Frantic, you see him in the comments. He's the one that started this whole thing and opened up a door to an alternate universe called the anti-parallel universe. So that's where we're going to go with this. And as you can also see, a single decoder, that's all it takes. And that's DH126D. All these guys are getting the same thing. Everybody gets a DH126D. It's perfect decoder for this. It's 1.5 amp. And as you know, those face ripper motors, they don't need 1.5 amps because they're never going to get that high. All right, so let's get to it.